Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The Bcan Exercise Bike is probably one of the most convenient fitness solutions for home workouts. Its foldable design makes it perfect for small spaces, allowing you to easily store it away when not in use. This exercise bike offers a great way to stay active, improve cardiovascular health, and burn calories, all from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this bike provides a versatile and effective workout experience. Number 5. XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. This exercise bike features a solid X-frame design that folds up easily. When not in use, it takes up very little space, folding to just 20.5 by 20.5 inches. Designed with your comfort in mind, it has a large, contoured seat. The seat also includes a back pad and multi-grip padded handlebars, so you can enjoy a comfortable workout. The bike has a 2x1 LCD window. It clearly displays your speed, distance, time, calories burned, and your pulse, helping you track your progress. It offers 8 levels of manual resistance. You can easily adjust it using the large dial tension knob to suit your fitness level. The handlebars have hand pulse sensors. These sensors allow you to monitor your heart rate, helping you stay in your target zone during your workout. What we like? This bike's foldable design is a game changer. It easily folds up, taking up minimal space when not in use. If you have a small apartment or limited space, this is the perfect choice. You can enjoy your workout and then tuck it away with ease. What people say. The display panel is basic with time, distance, calories, and it does not have backlight, not a showstopper for me. The bike has a backrest and handholds on both sides of the seat, both are mandatory for me. The seat is as comfortable as you can get with most bikes. This thing is ridiculously quiet. I've owned this same exact model before, just left it for my brother when I moved out of our shared apartment, and this one was, well, the exact same. The instructions were very easy to read and understandable, which is a rarity these days. Most of the nuts and bolts were already pre-mounted on the bike, which made it very easy to put together. Wrenches and screwdrivers were included. The pictures were accurate with the right numbering. Elapsed assembly time was about 45 minutes, including chatting about how easy the bike was to assemble. Number 4. YOSUDA Exercise Bike, Home Fitness. For over 20 years, YOSUDA has been dedicated to quality home fitness equipment. This exercise bike is trusted by over 3 million families. It's designed to bring a reliable workout experience to your home. The 30-pound flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame ensure a stable ride. The belt drive system provides a smoother and quieter experience compared to chain drives. This makes it perfect for any home workout. This bike is designed for safety and stability, supporting up to 300 pounds. Adjustable cage pedals and an instant stop feature provide peace of mind. You can focus on your workout knowing you're safe. The upgraded seat enhances shock absorption, reducing discomfort. With adjustable handlebars and seat, it fits users from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. It's designed for a comfortable and personalized experience. Track your ride data with the LCD display and enjoy music with the tablet holder. Bluetooth support connects to the smart app, offering various riding scenarios and competitions. It enhances your workout experience. The package includes the YOSUDA exercise bike, all tools, and instructions. An online assembly video helps you set it up in just 30 minutes. You also get a 1-year free parts replacement. What we like? This bike offers a smooth and quiet ride, thanks to its belt drive system and heavy-duty frame. It also has a smart app integration for interactive workouts. If you enjoy immersive fitness experiences and want a reliable, quiet machine, it's a great option. What people say. It is sturdy and has a comfortable seat. It shows how many miles I've biked, and calories burned. It's made working out fun again. Number 3. BulbHead Slim Cycle Stationary Bike. Introducing the BulbHead Slim Cycle, the most comfortable exercise bike ever. This machine is designed for your comfort, allowing you to pedal away calories with ease. It features a thick, extra-wide seat with a back support cushion. This design ensures you can exercise comfortably at home for extended periods. This exercise bike offers both recline and upright positions. You can customize your workout to suit your preferences and fitness goals. Slim Cycle helps you achieve your fitness goals faster. It combines cardio and strength training, helping you shed pounds and sculpt muscle simultaneously. With the slim cycle, you can get twice the results in half the time. This efficient design maximizes your workout potential. The slim cycle is endorsed by Harley Pasternak, Hollywood's #1 trainer to the stars. You can trust this machine to deliver effective results. What we like. This bike is all about comfort, featuring an extra-wide seat and back support. It also offers both reclining and upright positions. If you prioritize comfort and want a bike that's easy on your back, this is the one for you. What people say. It has held up very well. It's easy to move, lightweight, and easy enough to fold and put away when needed, though I leave mine out most of the time because I use it often. The chair is very comfortable. Number 2. YOSUDA Recumbent Exercise Bike. This YOSUDA Recumbent Exercise Bike has been designed and produced for 20 years, serving over 3 million families. It's a reliable fitness partner that you can count on. This bike is designed with rehab professionals, perfect for seniors, those with injuries, or anyone wanting a low-impact workout. It protects your joints while providing effective exercise. Adjust the seat easily with a handle by your side, ensuring comfort for users from 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 2 inches. This feature allows you to find the perfect fit for your body. Enjoy a quiet workout experience with this bike. You can easily integrate it into your daily routine, watching TV or reading without disturbing others. Built with a sturdy, light commercial-grade steel frame, it supports up to 350 pounds. This ensures durability, stability, and safety during your workouts. Most parts come pre-installed, and clear instructions make setup a breeze. You'll be ready to ride in no time, and it's easy to move after assembly. With 16 resistance levels, this bike suits all fitness levels, from beginners to pros. Select your level for optimal workout efficiency and challenge yourself. What we like. This recumbent bike is designed for comfort, with an adjustable seat and backrest. It also offers 16 levels of resistance. If you are looking for a low-impact workout that's easy on your joints, this bike is an excellent choice. What people say. This machine is extremely well designed, and the manufacturing quality is high. I particularly like how the machine is quiet, stable, and compact. The seat can easily be positioned to any arbitrary point in the adjustment range. Number 1. DISPANK X Bike, Foldable Exercise Bike for All. This exercise bike offers 3 modes: upright, semi-recumbent, and recumbent. It's designed for men, women, and seniors, perfect for physical therapy and burning calories. It features an extra-large, padded seat and a backrest with a foam rear handlebar. Non-slip pedals with safety straps enhance your cycling experience. Attached resistance bands allow you to strengthen your arm muscles while cycling. This provides a full-body cardio workout, helping you get in shape easily. The integrated LCD monitor tracks your pulse, calories, distance, and speed in real time. A tablet holder allows you to watch videos on your device while exercising. The bike can be adjusted to upright, recumbent, or semi-recumbent modes. The padded seat has 7-level height adjustments to fit different users. It also offers 10-level adjustable resistance. What we like. This bike offers 3 exercise modes: upright, semi-recumbent, and recumbent. It also includes resistance bands for a full-body workout. If you want versatility and a more comprehensive workout experience, this bike is a great choice. It allows you to target different muscle groups and vary your routines. What people say. The bike folds up and can be rolled out the way. It is also super quiet. I really like that it is quiet. I was surprised at how sturdy it is. I also like that I can work out my arms while I'm using it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.